Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to take a doorknob off a bathroom door here and replace it. So first of all, I'm going to take the old one off. It's got this weird catch where it's just kind of like hanging there. And I don't know how old this thing is, probably older than me. Well, maybe not. But it's got a couple screws here, just going to go ahead and unscrew those. Alright, and you can, if the handle's in the way, just move it down to get to access the other screw point. These are long screws, so have patience. Alright, do the old dual unscrewing motion here. Okay, one done, the other one done. Okay, so then we just, I don't know what just fell out of there, a bunch of crud. Okay, so just pull, that's kind of falling apart in there. Okay, so as you can see here, maybe you can't see. So here's the door, and it just kind of slides out of that slot there, and the handle fits into that groove right there. Curved on this side, flat on this side, and then when you turn the handle, it just opens the there. It's pretty self-explanatory, yeah. So we'll just pull this out too, straight. I think. Okay, so push this in with your thumb and pull it out there, and then oh, crud just come out of there. Thing like been falling apart for quite a while, looks like. Okay, so then we'll just go ahead and unscrew this here, holding the door with my leg here. Just unscrew this real quick. All right. Unscrew this here. All right. And now you can just pop this right off. If you have trouble popping it off, you can fit like a flathead under there and just pop it off. Hey, hi, little love. Okay, so
Why?
I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum all this stuff out of here. I don't know if you can see that. Where's the? Yeah, look at this. Look at all this stuff from the door handle. It was like turning and stuff over a period of time. It's kind of weird looking. So I'm gonna vacuum that out real quick. And yeah, and we'll be right back. Alright everyone, we are back. We cleaned out our little hole here. We got this Schlage Easy Install door handle here. It says easy installation on the back here. Installs in minutes with screwdriver. Guaranteed to fit on standard doors, self-guiding screws and lines snap themselves into place. Okay, so it says that right there, but it does not say if you need a Phillips head or a flathead. I got both, so it says installs within minutes. So let's give this a shot here. First of all, we're going to open it. Okay, there's a box there. Here's a plastic here with a tray. Looks like our parts here. Okie dokie. There we go. There's the installation, the door handles, and blah blah blah. And need that. And oh boy, it's childproof. Okay. All right, got into that. So we already have one of these on the door there. So I don't think we need that. Here's instructions. Okay, so I said we already have this piece here. So I'm not doing a new, everything new or whatever. So where are the screws screws for this though. Where are the screws? Did oh, just those two? Look pretty short. Okay. So in this bag here, there's some can you throw that in the trash, please, love? Thank you. We do have a little packet containing screws, and there's some shorter ones in there, which is why I thought we probably didn't need it. But, yeah, looks like we do need those. Okay, so we're going to open this. Hopefully it's not childproof. Okay, we'll use the point of the screw to burst through the plastic there. And we'll get at those longer screws there. I'm assuming these are going to be for the door handle, even though that's pretty short.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. Oh, here's the old one. Where are we? There we are. Oh. And here's the new one. So, yeah, it's about half an inch shorter. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and see how this works here. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go and so this is going to come in here like this. I'm going to pull this part out here. So this is going to be, oh, no, that's not going to be. It's going to be like, it's going to be like this because the lock is on the inside. Okay, so if we pull this off, we're going to have this part just install right into here. It'll go right into our previous holes, hopefully. And then this part will come around and it'll go into, I don't know if you can see that. It'll go right into the groove. Now there's two slots there. Looks like it's going to go in the closer one over here on this, further on this side. Okay. So I'll get an angle for you so you can see that. Okay. So. Oh.
I'm the video.
Yes. Okay. So you can see maybe that this part. No. This part goes in here like this. Okay. All right. So then. Sorry, we're moving around like that. Hope you're not getting dizzy. Okay, so then probably want to do is secure this side first with the screws given. Okay, so you just want to hold.
I did like that.
Excuse me, my love. Where's the other little screw? Okay. Get this out of the plastic.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna secure this back into spot there. Are you guys timing me? I don't know how many minutes it says. It installs in minutes, so we'll tighten one and then the other. Okay, getting in there. Alright, so we've tightened that down. Okay. Then just put the doorknob in. I don't know like if it matters if you go this side or this side. Doesn't seem to matter. It just looks like it fits right into this over this bar here, and then there's two these grooves here and here and here and here go right over the doorknob part. I'll show you. Yes, it goes right over this part here and over this part, so it goes around that there. So okay, so we're just gonna put that over it. I don't think it matters if it's top or bottom, so we're just gonna go with that. And why does that look like it's off from the? Okay. Okay, this part here, the outer part here, looks like it's not really fit right around. It's like I'm trying to show you that. Where's the there? It looks like it's a little bit off. So I'm like,
It is.
can I pop that off and put it back on there and turn it just a little bit because it looks like it's slightly off there.
What?
Yeah. Yes, it does. I'm like, I think we can pop this off there. Okay. Yeah, because it's like slightly off and oh, okay. I just gripped it and I was able to turn it a little bit once I maxed the thing out. Okay, so I pretty much got it. You just grip the outside and you can pop this part off. You can push up with like a screwdriver or something. But yeah, I popped it up and just hi.
I'm not video.
Okay, so we can put this on here now, and it says, so that's a quick fix on that if your thing is not quite right. So then we get screw and get it in there, started. Now these ones with the round doorknobs, you can see that the angle is always a little bit weird. I don't know. You know, when you're screwing these things in, I'm always like, should you go with you know, one of those angled screwdrivers kind of thing, or should you just let it ride? You know, I don't know. I guess this works, but it just feels like it's off when you're, because it's kind of at an angle. It says these kind of snap in, but I'm not getting any like snap. I don't know what that snap part was. Where did I put the other screwdrivers? It says on the box. Where did you put the box, love? Can you get me the box? Yeah, you can see the angle is like weird here, right? It says easy installation, self-guided screws align and snap themselves into place. Well, they snap themselves into place, huh? Okay. Well, still, it's like, I don't know. The angle is always weird on these. But just try and keep pushing and screwing it in there, right? And it kind of works. If you have to, get a screwdriver, one of those 90-degree screwdrivers. But you can get away with a straight shaft screwdriver here, okay? So just keep screwing it in there till and then just tighten it down, one and then the other. And pretty much good to go. So see your lock, turn it, unlock, doesn't unlock there, turn it to unlock, push the door shut, there you go, door lock, groovy. So that's pretty quick. And I think there's a little key, looks like. We're gonna try it. We're gonna lock this, and from the other side we're going to push. And cool, it does unlock the door. So you got a little key there, unlocks these types of doors, and good to go. That was it. That is a complete doorknob install there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.